I get a lot of questions in my office about why do we adjust newborns? Honestly, it might come from other parents that have newborns, that see newborns, coming in to get adjusted, and or it could even be the grandmas and the grandpas in my office that ask this question. So I'd like to dive into that today. I'm Dr. Jen Anaker with Anaker Clinics of Chiropractic. Why do chiropractors adjust newborns? First thing to think about is that there can be in utero restraint. And so that might be coming from mom's pelvis, maybe being twisted or just not in a balanced position. And so baby has to get into different positionings. Sometimes it might lead to things like breech babies, transverse babies, posterior positioning. But certainly there can also be things that go on in utero that when the baby's also head down, or the other one is also the head to the side. So there can be different things that might go on as far as what the position the baby has to get into in reference to where, how balanced or unbalanced mom's pelvis might be. Number two is the birth process itself. Some births are fast, some are slow. Sometimes the shoulders get stuck, sometimes the head's off to the side, sometimes the baby's breech again, and all those baby positionings. There can just be a lot of different things that might happen. And so it's always just really great to get the little ones adjusted. There's a lot of forces and vectors that go into coming into this world, and every birth has a different story. Even the most natural births, the International Chiropractic Association finds that, all the different situations, normal, not normal, altering things that might go on, that 95% of newborns have misalignments. So a lot of the moms, whether the babies have symptoms or not, want to get their children checked for that reason alone. And then the last one is to have a healthy nervous system. As the body is growing and developing, there's so many things that are, the neurons are synapsing, just over and over and over as there's stimulus going on, as there's feedback from the external environment, as the body's adapting after being born, from breathing to digestive system. There's just so much orchestration that's going on inside of this newborn that the nervous system controls and regulates, and moms and dads just want their child to be able to grow and develop into the healthiest child that they can, and so they know that if the body communicates properly, that their child is going to be healthier. So these are some of the reasons why newborns are adjusted in a chiropractic office.